Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to cover two questions one after one, which will be based on fixed point iteration and Newton-Raphson method. In first question, we are seeing or finding the cube root of 12 using fixed point iteration method, correct up to 4 place of decimal, and this is the second question. Second question is based on the Python program in which we are doing the coding for finding square root of 12 using Newton-Raphson method. So first we are going to see the iteration method, fixed point iteration method for finding cube root of 12. So for finding the cube root of 12, first we have to make an equation. So we have made this equation x cube minus 12 is equals to 0 and named a first equation. Let fx is equals to x cube minus 12 and name this second equation. For finding initial point on which we will find or its रूट्स विल बी लाई बिटवीन देम, मतलब हम दो ऐसे पॉइंट निकालेंगे जिसके बीच में इसकी रूट्स लाई करेगी। पर वो दो पॉइंट कैसे मिलेंगे? वो दो पॉइंट मिलेंगे हमको ये एफ ऑफ एक्स में एक्स की वैल्यू को 0 1 2 ऐसे एंड सो ऑन पुट करते जाएंगे, और जब हमको एक पॉइंट पे एक वैल्यू नेगेटिव मिलेगी और एक पॉजिटिव मिलेगी साइमल्टेनियसली, तो हम वो दो एक्स की वैल्यूज़ को कंसिडर करेंगे। तो हमने यहाँ पे लिए x is equals to 0. Here we have got answer in minus. X is equals to 1. Here also we have got answer in minus or negative. X is equals to 2. Again we have got answer in negative. X is equals to 3. Now here we have got answer in positive. So we will select x is equals to 2 and 3. 2 and 3 point will be select, because at that point we got one answer in negative and one in positive, one after one. Now move further. We want a fixed point. This method name is fixed point iteration. So we need a fixed point. We can't do iteration on the 2 points 2 and 3 or on the 2 points. So we will get a point between 2 and 3. So we have got the point 2.5. As we noted, the iterative formula for finding cube root of a number a is given by xn plus is equals to 1 by 3 into 2xn plus a upon xn square. यह फॉर्मूला है फिक्स पॉइंट आइटरेशन को फाइंड करने का। अगर क्यूब रूट निकालना हो स्पेसिफिकली, उसके लिए फॉर्मूला है। इसको हमने दे दिया है इक्वेशन 3, क्योंकि ये हमारा बाद में काम आएगा। In this formula, xn is the initial of a current approximation and xn plus 1 is the next approximation. A is the number for which we are going to find the cube root, and initial value of x0 will be 2.5 as we find here. Now we are putting n is equals to 0 in equation third, means we are putting n is equals to 0 in our formula. So here x0 plus 1, this will be x1, and xn is equals to 0. So here value will become 2.5. 2 into 2.5 plus a will be our 12. So 2 into 2.5 plus 12 upon 2.5 का होल स्क्वायर। ये यहाँ तक हमने कर दिया। अब यहाँ इसको हम फर्दर सॉल्व करेंगे तो इसका आंसर आएगा x1 वैल्यू विल बी 2.3066. नाउ वी आर पुटिंग x is equals to 1 in equation third. So here xn plus 1, so it will become 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 and 1 upon 3 2x1 plus 12x square. In here at the place of x0 we will put the value of x1, because we have got this earlier. So after the doing calculation, we got the value for the x2 is equals to 2.2894, which is the approximate value of the cube root of 12. Therefore the approximate value or the approximate cube root of 12 is 2.2894. So this is the way by which we can perform fixed point iteration for the cube root. Now we are moving further, or coming to our second question, which is a program, Python program based on the Newton-Raphson method for finding the square root of 12. In this program, we have made one function named square root. We have used def keyword because it is necessary in Python to use def for making function. Given argument n and l, n represents the number for which we are going to find square root, and l represents the tolerance. Means at what number of point after decimal we want a error free. Here x assigned by n, count is equals to 0. We have taken count to count the number of iteration. Here we have used a while loop. While loop 1 means it will be run n number of times. जब तक चलेगा तब तक ये कंडीशन सारी ट्रू नहीं हो जाती, मतलब सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो जाती. यहाँ पे हमने लिया है रूट एक वेरिएबल, उसको उसमें असाइन कराएंगे कैलकुलेटेड वैल्यू जो है 0.5 इंटू एक्स प्लस एन डिवाइडेड बाय एक्स. ये फॉर्मूला जो है कैलकुलेट करेगा हमारे रूट की क्लोजनेस को, मतलब जो भी आंसर आएगा कैलकुलेशन के बाद वो क्लोज रूट है कि नहीं. फिर उसके बाद एक कंडीशन चेक होएगी, इफ़ एप्स रूट माइनस एक्स इज स्मॉलर देन 1. अगर ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो जाती है तो यहाँ से हमारा लूप ब्रेक हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पे जो एप्स यूज़ करा है ये जो भी वैल्यू आएगी उसको पॉजिटिव में रखेगा. इट विल वर्क एज अ मॉड. दिस कंडीशन विल चेक फॉर क्लोजनेस ऑफ अवर रूट, और वी कैन से अप्रोक्सीमेशन ऑफ अ रूट. If this condition is not satisfied, so in x root will become an update, and this will be the updated value of root, and return root, and again this way, and this loop will be run until these conditions are true. Once the condition become satisfied, it will automatically break from the loop and return root. This is a driver code in which we are the calling our function and giving the parameters to the function. Here we have gave n is equals to 12, l is equals to 0.001. n is the value for which we have to find the square root, and l is the tolerance value. Here we have print the square root n l, means here the approximate square root will be printed of the 12. Hope you have liked this video. This is the last question we that have to be covered. Thank you. We will meet in our next video.